Yo, yo, yo. Here it is, end of the week stream.
Yes.
What is going on, people? Let me pop this into the Discord. How you doing, mate? You alright?
Good. All good.
Chilling.
Happy it's Friday. It's been a long week.
You know what? I'm just gonna chill for this weekend, I think.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. Just have a proper relaxing one. Do you know Slow Horses on Apple TV?
No.
Great series. So I'm probably gonna chill and watch that.
Slow horses.
Yeah, play a little bit of tennis, man. I'm trying to do things I haven't done for I don't do, so
Mm,
one of those is going to be playing a little bit of tennis.
yes.
What about you, man? What's the plans?
Tomorrow I'm going to Italy.
Oh shit. Is it?
Do some,
Okay.
do some spontaneous, rainiest, miscellaneous shit. Yeah, just going to Italy, Milan.
Yeah.
Nice little day trip
Nice.
and just see what we can get up to.
Yeah, staying out of trouble, I hope. Yeah. Hello, sack it, bro. Do you know what?
That's what I said yesterday as well.
I just come just every single time, just gotta come here and that's jokes. So let's have a quick butchers what's going out in the market. I'm kind of biased just a little bit for an upside on pound
Mm,
New Zealand. So I think we're gonna maybe trade a little bit of that. Gold potentially. I'm not too sure to be honest. Maybe a potential long. Maybe. USD yen, to be fair, looks pretty good to go long. See if it can break out that little bit of consolidation up against all of these EMAs. At the moment, it's underneath all the EMAs, so the momentum's kind of dying off. So probably not the best one. Let's have a look at GU. GU had a nice little bit of an impulse, but again, we're stuck in a range. The markets are looking dead, to be honest. Like, this is dead price action. Like, across the board. Yeah, pound New Zealand's is probably the one that I'm going with. So I'm going to put in a couple of orders for that. What's going on, mate? Well done for your payout. Congratulations. He
yes.
got his payout finally.
You've done the interview as well, yeah?
He did the interview, yeah. It was like the shortest, most upfront interview. Oh, God, where you gone, Denzel? There you go. Let me pop all this back. It was the shortest, most straightforward interview that you could get, Um,
Following up what happened yesterday, NFP. Yeah, so this week has been all right. Yes, yesterday NFP price just shot up, caught a nice 1 to 2. Then yeah, it's a good thing I closed because after that price literally just reversed towards the downside. So yeah, today we have Asia's high and Asia's low. Two blue lines, and we got the mid range. But yeah, literally at 7 a.m. we had news the retail sales came out negative. So yeah, if it comes out negative, what it's supposed to look for sales. So yeah, what I then did is jump into 3 minute time frame and literally just saw the cleanest break retest.
ooh.
Yeah. So we swept Asia's lows, price came back, entered, and yeah, just straight towards the downside. Wish I held it a little bit longer. This was a 1:3 from 6. I could have made it a 1:4. Looks like price went and wicked out at the previous day low or high. Yeah, previous day low. So yeah, that's pretty much that right now. Then as we speak, we have news coming up in about 10 minutes. So that news is going to make or break what's happening next. But as you can see, what's been happening for the day is we are like clearly bearish. We have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This could just be a correction for potential another move towards the downside. That's if we are bearish, and obviously if we are bullish, vice versa. If we're break, retest, and most likely come back to Asia's mid range and then Asia's high. So yeah, that's pretty much my views.
Oops, I think I just doubled my position by accident.
Yes.
Trade locker. When you press sometimes when you put in the order, it sometimes puts it in double.
Shit.
Yeah, that's all right. If it goes, it's fine. That was a nice. What was that on though? Is that on a 1 hour on GJ?
3 minute.
Fast.
Yeah, 1 hour though was
Fast
nothing.
move. Yeah.
15-minute wasn't really too. There was a better position on the 15 actually to catch the cells here,
Yeah.
take it down, but this was at like 8:45. Sometimes I like to wait until the news comes out, a couple minutes. So it looks like now GJ is starting to buy. So yeah.
Okay, I've just got into that position on pound and ZD. It's the amount of times that positions have looked good when we first got into them and then just like smashed halfway between the streams. So it's nothing to be excited about at the moment, but it looks like it's building up a little bit of momentum. What's the week been for you? To be fair, mate, how's it been?
Rocky start, but good ending though. Literally Tuesday had a good setup on Tuesday. I just kind of over leveraged it, kind of messed me up.
What was that on? That was on GJ as well. You just trade GJ.
Yeah.
Do you know what?
Yeah. Wilski, yeah.
Oh, I've been getting. Somebody told me today that I've been saying Wilski's name. I keep getting his name wrong. I'm always saying his name wrong. Apparently,
How do you say? Is it not Wilski? No.
I've been calling him Wilski. It's not Wilski. It's maybe it is Wilski. I don't know. Wilski, get in here, mate. Get in here and tell us how we're pronouncing your name properly, bro.
Wilski.
Wilski, like, yeah, Willis. Yeah, I don't know why it just doesn't roll off the tongue.
I think you're actually right.
Huh?
I think you're right. We're saying it the wrong way.
We're saying it the wrong way. I know we're saying it the wrong way. I've been saying it the wrong because I've been saying it the wrong way, and then everybody's been saying it the wrong way as well because of me. He's out right now. You're not in front of what? You're the worst intraday trader ever, Wilski. And I keep Wilksy. I've been saying Wilski. Live execution, folks. Musab, well done, mate. Good to have you in here. Musab is gonna join FundingRock, funded trader soon. He was a funded trader. Don't know what happened to you, mate, but hopefully you get back there soon. So we're getting a nice little push. Shame you can't do multiple screens on this.
Yeah.
You know, like you can do on TradingView. Okay, that's a nice little impulse. Coming for that Asian high would be the target.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got a nice bit of consolidation in there. Would you call that a fair? Because I'm kind of new to these fair value gaps.
Mm.
Would that be the fair value gap from that?
Yeah.
So this.
Even that bullish candle before that as well has a fair value gap, I believe.
So this area between this candle and this wick, that's the fair value gap.
Yeah, I think so.
Or is it that?
I thought it was the candle. Yeah, you see how that looks there on the what time frame on the 4 hour? I think that's the fair value
That's,
gap. That gap in the big bullish engulfing.
should we see if we can should we get a little bit more aggressive in this? Let's see. Since it's got momentum on our side, why not? If it comes back onto this range top, we can add probably a little bit more. There you go. Let's see if we got a bit of momentum. All right. TP up here as well. Denzel, what is that, bro?
No, snaps.
That's something like a scary movie, man.
Some BS.
It's like the what's up, that type of stuff.
Oh, pushing
Yeah, it's pushing.
the GN.
Yeah.
Got news in 2 minutes. If that
News
news,
in 2 minutes.
yeah. If it comes out positive, today is a good day with those 3 trades.
If it's not,
Bad, bad
you know, bad news trading. Obviously, this was open before the 2 minute rule, so we're good. Let's see. Got a bit of, maybe we'll get some good content from this.
go. Or sometimes, like those, you're expecting high impact news to do
And it
big.
does nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, could be. But this has been doing naff all day, so it's only just started picking up.
Yeah.
And it is bullish on higher time frames, so we shall see. Got 1 more minute. Got some good music to go with it. I have to turn this on. This is live. Oh shit! What happened to the drum and bass, man? Gotta sort this playlist out.
There was a nice piano playing a few minutes ago. It's feeling that.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
5 seconds. 5.
There we go. Go on. It's not gonna do. I don't know if it will do too much. Here we go. Boom. We're holding on the EMA by the looks of it.
News came out positive.
What does it take to join you guys there on stream? A good camera and the microphone, if you've got one, and I'll send you a link.
Pepperoni.
Why not? If you want to join.
News came out positive, so I think you're good. You're good.
Guess we're just chilling in here. see if we can get that nice next impulse. Love-hate relationship on lower time frames because you're in and out, but also you don't get to see all the. Sometimes you get locked in it. Like 4 hour looks bullish.
Bullish as hell.
Bullish as hell, yeah. Profitability doesn't matter. Well, you can come in and chill with us, bro. It's all good. We're not, you just come in, chill, talk, relax. We're not here to judge or anything. And don't forget, hold on a second, if you've been here for a while, you've seen me like lose nearly every stream for the past 2 months. So if you go back, you would have seen me going on a really nice streak, and then for the last couple of months, I've been on a bit of a shitty streak. So it really doesn't matter. Just come in and chill, relax, talk about trading.
Them buyers are looking sweet.
Yeah, probably better to go on the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. 5 minutes, all right. Yeah, this is a banger of a song.
I remember when I was in school.
Mm.
You know Lofi?
Lofi.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's chilling, man.
I used to do my shit.
Why, you used to do beats?
Nah, literally, like whenever I was just studying for exams, just pick that on.
Mm.
Just non-stop, just always playing in the background.
Struggling to get after that high. Good to hear. I'm not ready yet, but we'll definitely join you guys. Hope the streams won't shut off. We'll probably be here for another 40 minutes. Oof, look at that candle. We'll be here till, for another 40 minutes probably. Unless the stream gets dead, and then, we'll probably cut off later. Hello, Sakit. This is going to have to be a meme. This is every time we're going to come in now, we're just going to say, hello, Sakit. That's it.
Hello, Sakit.
Let's get a bit of a push. This is what I was talking about. This is a banger of a song.
Yes.
Nice way of closing the week. My mates were laughing at me earlier. They were like, they've never known a swing trader last so little time than me. It's like I made a video, and by the time the video actually went out, I was already back day trading. Funny, man.
That video was like, what? When did you upload that? Last week?
But then?
When did you upload that video? Was that last week, yeah?
Yeah, I scheduled it, and I forgot about it. I wasn't even supposed to put it out.
Yeah.
because I was holding back. I was like, am I really going to do this? Am I really going to put it out? So I just scheduled it and forgot about it. And then it just went out. We're struggling to get above that little high there. Opa, Abdullah. What cryptos are you selling today? Yeah, crypto's been getting absolutely slammed. Absolutely slammed. It's coming into a nice area. If you're trading, if you're like trading, this is a nice area. But if you're looking for spot buys, I think a little bit lower for spot buys. Or at least we need a little bit of consolidation, something. I don't really want to just buy something just because it's come down and then it do like a V type retracement and then come down, you know, put me into drawdown. Ideally, we'd want to see a little bit of consolidation, something like this, or, you know, a couple of days of just basing out. But shaved off a lot of profits. Bitcoin is still, gold's not doing anything. But Bitcoin shaved off what? It's 4 hour. 35%.
Ooh.
Crazy. It's coming to a good area though. Never know what's gonna happen.
That's the weekly. See, monthly is probably a higher high, higher low, higher high.
Yeah. See, it's like a lot of us, like, if we start doing that, how do we know? And, you know, we've got to be just wary that if we're all looking to long, if we then just start making the breaking structure up here, I think we're in for bear market territory.
Yeah.
Because when it starts going up really fast, you think, okay, it's fine, everything's all right. But that's when you get caught out. It could be like that kind of distribution, head and shoulders type of pattern thing.
Yeah.
Same type of thing that we had here. If you have a look at this, which
left shoulder, head, right shoulder.
Yeah, like if you have a look on the daily, it's even clearer. Maybe a little bit hard on the daily. Where is it? Here it is. Crypto's hard, man. So like we break down underneath all those EMAs, retrace, and then just basically shit ourselves to. But this looks even worse because look, we've actually broken the daily, the 200 EMA.
Yeah.
This actually looks disgusting. This doesn't look good. As if I've held the bat. Oh, Jesus Christ! Pardon my language.
How did we get here?
Oh damn! Yeah, we've got one last area of support, and if it breaks underneath those, then I'm best getting out. If it breaks under all these EMAs, then it's best getting out early. Oh, Mr. Vickers. Hello, hello, Mr. Vickers. How are you?
Man, the myth, the legend.
Yes. Mr. Futures funded, another futures account he's been able to pass. On fire. He would come on stream, I'm sure, but he's limited with. I think he got told off last time. Okay. Let's see.
The trades.
Stephen V trades, yeah. Got a really good strategy. Every time I used to come into the markets, I would used to see Steven's setup. I used to send him messages. Like, Steven, I've seen the setup. I've seen your setup. I wonder if it's Steven. Are you still trading the same way now, or is it you've changed it up because of the futures and stuff? See how this candle closes.
I think we're still good for buys though.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Thing is, like, we've broken underneath the EMA, so it's like normally if we're breaking under the EMAs, they normally attract to the next one in front.
We got the 1 minute.
Yeah, this is the 1 minute, in all fairness. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. I think we're good. Got that EMA, 9 EMA on the 5 minute there. Yeah. See, this is the music I like. The only thing is, it gets boring after. When I was on holiday, I was at a music event, and it was this for 10 hours. It's like after a little bit of time, I was just like, yeah, okay, this is like, I'm done. At the start, it's alright. A more low time, more M15 on futures now. Not quite 60-second trader like you, Alex. Gotta love the 60-second chart, mate.
Fast paced.
Yeah. The thing is that I still don't understand with the trailing drawdowns in futures. That it's like, does it once it gets to zero, then it stays? Or does it trail even more into profit? Because if it trails even more into profit, then that is some garbage right there.
Yeah. See, I don't even know why it moves like that.
It's where the money's at.
Yeah.
Definitely. I don't know why this trade. There's a trade in here that is stuck.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with that.
A buy on something.
It was a buy on USD CAD. Don't know what's going on with that. That's a pair that I find hard to trade.
USD CAD.
USD CAD, yeah. Find it can be quite difficult. Oh, what is it? What is it? Second best time is today. I think when you looking back, it always seems. I remember looking at some neutral back 4 or 5 years ago. Hmm. Patience, 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 patience. Many old wallets have emerged and are actively selling their bitcoins. I wonder how much selling pressure we have at these lows. Let's put volume on. Let's put a volume on. Got lots of selling volume right at the lows, man. Like, maybe it's a good place for an intraday buy. A little bit different. Still quite a lot of. Don't know. Not so much on Solana. Bitcoin, there's just tons of selling volume. Nope. Go on, Shan. Go on, Shan. Thing is with the old wallets, what they're old wallets full of Bitcoin or old wallets full of many old wallets have emerged are actively selling their Bitcoin. Where are you seeing the on-chain data for that, the Abdullah?
You made it up.
Imagine. Let's see where this is. No, I got a little bit more room. How are you getting to Italy? Are you flying?
Yeah. It's gonna be like a 3-hour flight.
Oh, easy.
Not too bad.
With what airline?
Ryanair.
Whoa. I remember they wanted to take out all the seats
And
in
put
Ryanair and just make everybody stand.
some people would be willing to pay for that. That's the thing.
If it's what? If it's a couple of quid, like 20 quid, 30 quid.
Yeah.
All you do is got to stand for an hour, 2 hours.
Not bad.
People would lie on the floor anyway.
Hmm.
Yeah, go on.
But if that ever does happen, that would be actually kind of mad.
Be the first airline to do something like that.
Yeah.
I've just booked for the UK.
Yeah. You coming in New Year's or December?
Nah, December. So December the 20th.
Ooh, it's literally 1 month away.
Yeah, not too long, man.
Yeah. You're here for how long? Wait, you're here for how long?
A week,
Yeah,
2 weeks.
in and out type of thing.
Yeah, say hello to everybody. Leave. Oh wow. Okay. That was very close.
flying into North Wales International Airport.
North Wales International. Gone to Cardiff. Wait, Stephen, I thought you lived in South Wales, not North Wales. Okay, this doesn't look as promising. They just love that. Right. About one pip away.
This is the part where it takes off to the upside.
Every time you say that, it normally goes out and takes me out on stream.
Even GJ just spiked towards the downside. Now it's rejecting on the 15-minute.
Oof. Wow.
If that doesn't say buy, I don't know what else does, man. Hopefully.
Yeah, look, British pound Canadian's up. Wow. USD yen's just got trashed.
Yeah.
What's just happened? Dollar, gold. Looks like it's found support. Okay, this is still holding. The thing is with North Wales, nobody wants to speak to you in English, Stephen. They only want to speak in Welsh.
What Welsh was a language?
Yeah, they normally speak it up in North Wales. South Wales don't really speak it that much. My grandma always used to try and speak to me in Welsh.
Shit.
But her Welsh is kind of bad as well. Guys, don't forget the Black Friday. I don't know how many people are in here. Let me double check. Okay, we've got 9 people, a couple of people on Twitter. So, Black Friday, I'm going to put the banner.
Yes. Let them know, man.
Black. What is it? Black Friday 40, isn't it? Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, Black Friday 40, guys. Case sensitive, I think. If you get an issue, let me know. Maybe we'll do a poll as well, thinking if this is actually going to hit. So wait, you've done for the day, huh, Denzel?
Done.
Ah.
Because now it's like 3. Markets are probably going to quiet down for a bit. I think Friday is the best time. Is like London, and then just cross over. If there's nothing from there, leave it.
Yeah.
Just leave it. Unless it's NFP. Well, any other Friday. Nah.
Stephen, I was not a bad influence. You loved it. You loved being on the 60-second chart. Alex still scrapping with gold? No, after getting taken out earlier? No, I'm not. I'm leaving it alone. bad gold. Looks good though. Looks good. So the position that I was in was a sell from this area, and I was thinking it was going to come down back. To be honest, I'm selling into demand, so I don't know what I'm expecting. My own fault for trying to sell into demand. But when it moves and it's moving fast, I want a bit of that. Trying to get all the little scrapes, all the little scraps, when really you should have just waited for the demand to hold.
Yeah.
So guys, there's a couple of funded traders in here. Once you get a payout, the money only comes out of your account. You don't get a new account. So you can actually just theoretically if you want to journal all the trades, because one thing that I hate about a lot of prop firms is they give you a new account. You got to change it every single time, and then a new journal, and then you got to change things around, and some of the data's lost. Where with FundingRock, once you get your funded account, it's the same account. That's it. Unless obviously when you scale up, then we'll add money to it. But that means all the trading data is going to stay in there, which is quite important. Less than an hour until episode 2 is released, by the way. Yeah, guys, if you haven't checked out Pipped Off, then definitely check out Pipped Off podcast with myself and Michael. We had a deep one today, didn't we, Michael? And we talked about men's mental health today, but there is going to be an episode coming out today, I think. Michael, drop a link so the 4 people that are in here can see. I can chill in here on my own if you want, Denzel. You can get off a little bit early.
Good. I'm just old, man. Fighting this thing here. I don't think you understand how cold it is, man.
Is it what? Really?
Yes. Like even yesterday was like 2 degrees.
2 degrees?
Yeah. And it's meant to be even colder the next coming days.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not about that life at all, man.
All those times I took a heat advantage, man. Oh, cool. What's winter like over there?
20.
Shit.
No, it can get down to like 15, 10, 15.
Yeah.
But I'm just in a hoodie. It's getting like a bit chilly. Not 2 degrees chilly. 2 degrees chilly. You wouldn't see me out the house.
Yeah.
It's -7 next week in Poland, apparently.
This is why I hate winter, man.
Do yourself a favor, Michael, and just leave Poland.
Mm.
Even though it's a very nice place and it's a good place to raise a family. Go to like somewhere like Thailand. Think of all the massages you can get. Tell my wife. I'll tell her. Look, Michael wants to go to Thailand. He wants to go and get a massage every single day. Chill in the hot weather. Have sticky rice and mango. Get a raised cholesterol. Have you ever had sticky mango and rice?
No, boy. It sounds nice, though.
It's pucker, man. It's addictive, though. Super addictive. Super sugary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like your glucose levels when you're in Thailand just go through the roof. Like everything's got extra added sugar in it. All right, this isn't doing nothing. Let's have a look at the S&P. What are we saying? Up or down, Denzel?
Up. Come on, give me something.
It did push up.
Yeah.
It has done, but now it's like, oof. Yesterday was a big sell-off.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn.
I don't know if Steven's still in here, but Steven, tell me, what are you trading if you are in here? What are you trading on the futures? Are you just doing stock indices, or are you doing currencies and things like that? We'll give it another 10 minutes, guys, and then we're going to chill, go out. We can go on higher time frames and see what's been the crack this week. Bitcoin's died. Gold has done nothing.
Yeah.
Pretty much nothing. USD Swiss came to the bottom of the range, pushed off nicely. Looking probably for sells next week. Just play this range to see if we get something like that. And if we do, or maybe if we get a little bit of a push up, fail back into the range, then we can look for trades into the middle of the range like that. That would be a really nice option. Maybe I'll revisit that on the weekend. EU pushing down, just standard. Yeah, it's just bearish as shit. EG, to be fair, I thought that was going to push up, but that is just starting to roll over. Starting to roll over a little bit.
Just correcting.
When we get under that level, then obviously you've got these levels down here, break, retest, continuation trade onto this level right there. And then see, oh, have we just been taken out? No. Got a little bit more. Just NQ. NAS 100 to you, mate. Interesting. NAS 100. Now, if I was Stephen Vickers, how would I be trading this? So first, I'll be looking for a trend for 2 days straight. Then we've got, you know, the downward trend. And you'd be looking for a break of Asian, retest, and a continuation. Correct me if I'm wrong. So a break of the Asian range, a retest. So probably you'd be looking at something like this, maybe. Would you be your position off there? Don't know. Gonna have to get Steven on so he can break down his trading on futures. I'm just gonna close out on all of that. Why isn't it letting me? There you go, guys. We are out. Yeah, we're gonna call it a day. Glad you guys had a nice week, and we're gonna have a nice weekend. You're gonna have a nice weekend. Denzel's going to Italy, and I'm chilling. So, see you later, guys. Take care, and see you next week.
Peace out.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of luck.